marijuana! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! You know the withdrawal class? You don't know withdrawal? I'll show you withdrawal. Wait. It's like, when you're going to already, wait, I'm speaking. And you, whoop! Yung ano, you restrain yourself from, know that?
Number 3.
Whoop! Like urong titi. It's like you're nagawa. Yeah. And the also, like the helmet. You're welcome. I prepare the pin here. It's like a plastic only. It doesn't feel anything. The pills, the pills. The IUD, the engagement is the bukol. And the lubricant, oh my God! Like this, and you, and then you see, like, you insert, pwede na.